your firm is completely in your hands. Really? Well, it is, despite the economy, so long as you address the issues of your firm and continue to learn. Continue to learn best practices, continue to learn new practices that you can implement in your firm the day after you learn them. Thus, West is presenting the second annual Midwest Law Firm Management Conference. And the reason I'm talking about it today is because I'm honored and pleased to tell you that I'm the chair of the program. And that program is just dynamite. I really encourage you to attend. It will be held September 21, 2010 in Chicago. And you all are invited. Now, on the screen, there will be a URL for West Thomson Reuters landing page where you can learn more about it and register it. Register yourself for the conference, or you can call me 800-837-5880, or go onto my website www.lawbiz.com. But whatever you do, don't walk, run. Sign up now. Attendance will be limited, and I can tell you that the panels, the speakers, the presenters are dynamite. They're some of the best in the industry, and they are all from the Midwest. We start with Paul Lippy, who will talk to us about trends in the profession. He's the CEO and founder of Legal OnRamp, and some of his thoughts, I think, will surprise you. We follow that with a panel on lateral movement. It's been said that every lawyer today is in play. Is that true? I don't know, but I can tell you that there's a lot of legal talent available for you as a smaller firm to be able to grow with dynamite people. Learn how to do that. Learn what these people will mean to you in your growth of your firm as you continue to thrive despite the economy. Next, we're going to talk about alternative fees. And I'm pleased to say that we have a couple of the leading thinkers in this arena. It is not, oh, what is an alternative fee? Or is an alternative fee good? It is, if you choose to use alternative fees, either volitionally or because your clients are demanding it, what do you do to develop an alternative fee structure, something you haven't had before? We're going to talk about the best practices. We're going to talk about the how-tos. Our panel will show you and tell you how to do it so that the day after our conference on a Wednesday morning, you can go into your law firm and start dealing with this issue. Start changing the practices and the firm culture that surround your existence, and look at how you can address this issue in a way your clients will understand. Next, something that I think is super important, we're going to talk about succession planning. You know, I read a number of years ago a case out of the state of Maine, and the court there said that the estate of a sole practitioner was responsible for the negligence of the lawyer in causing the client to suffer after the death of the individual, after his death, because that lawyer should have known he was going to die. Tell me, if you have a timetable about death, let me in on the secret. But the court said he should have known that at some point he's going to die, and as a consequence, he should have protected his client from that eventuality, no matter when it occurred. I have some problems with that thinking. Nevertheless, you've got state bars across the country today that are saying lawyers have to have an estate plan, not for themselves, but for their law practice. Malpractice insurance carriers are today saying, who will take your practice over when you become disabled or when you die? These are issues that are important, and we're going to hear from 3 lawyers and an ethicist. One lawyer is about to enter into the succession arena. Another lawyer has gone through his first generation of succession, and the third lawyer is now on to his second generation of succession planning. These people are thinking about the long term. Are you? What's going to happen when you die? What's going to happen to your clients? What's going to happen to the value of your practice? Come join us. Learn how to deal with this issue. And our fourth panel is going to be talking about marketing. Marketing in the New Ocean. You've heard of the book Blue Ocean. I would urge you to read that book. It's quite revealing. But in the New Ocean, what marketing techniques will help us thrive? One of our panelists has a virtual law firm and is very successful. Another of our panelists has over 200 blogs and is super successful. And our third panelist uses traditional marketing techniques in a somewhat different way. You will learn from these folks. I can assure you that just from a brief conversation I've had with them, I'm amazed and have learned already a great deal. All of this is bundled together. It also includes a copy of my new book, From West, Growing Your Law Practice in Tough Times. It includes a 3-CD set entitled The Three-Dimensional Lawyer, and it includes free membership in LawBiz Forum, a community of lawyers from throughout the country. In addition, we've got networking capabilities, the likes of which can only help you grow your practice. We won't mention lunch and other benefits that you've come to expect from a good conference. Join us September 21 at the Midwest Law Firm Management Conference presented by West, co-sponsored by LawBiz, co-sponsored by Association of Legal Administrators, co-sponsored by the College of Law Practice Management, and co-sponsored by the Chicago Bar Association. As I say, pick up the phone now or go onto our website and sign up right away.